Hey guys, what up? I'll teach you how to avoid an alligator. I'm trying to dinosaur trying to chomp you off. Okay, here it comes. I'm back. One, two, three. Yum! Oh, yeah, the one to get respect on the streets. Here's the instant replay. Damn it! Oh my god, that was so cool. Guys, isn't that so cool? Yeah, damn it. Guys. Yeah, that stupid guy. Well, guys, that was very good to learn, but this is not the end yet. This dinosaur is still looking for other slips, like my brother's shoe. He's gonna bite it. He's gonna bite it. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, he's not gonna bite it. Well, guys, you're gonna see this epic. Yeah, stupid dinosaur died. Hey guys, what up? I'm in camera. Don't you see me? Yes, you do. I killed that idiot. I hate dinosaurs. Oh well, and I hate this pirate ship too. Oh my god! Ouch! Ugh, that hurts. Damn it, that hurt. I almost fell off my motorcycle. So guys, this is not the end of the video yet. Well, y'all keep seeing it. What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing in my swamp? What? Bye guys. This is the ending of the video. What? Remember to subscribe my channel. What are you doing in my swamp?